TMCC diesel program is going to give students the basic foundation skills required to eventually become successful technicians in transportation, mining, and construction industries in terms of repairing diesel equipment. They learn about engines, theory of operation, how to fix them, repair them, diagnose any problems they might have, transmissions, both manual and automatic, and the rest of the drivetrain, including differentials, axles, right on down to the brakes and wheel end components, how to service all of it. And on top of that, we also get some of the equipment technologies as well, such as hydraulics that they'll encounter both on trucks and heavy equipment. We're fortunate in that we have quite a bit of equipment that's been donated and purchased over the years, so they get exposure to quite a variety of different equipment and components that they might find in the truck industry and equipment industry. Primarily we focus on the trucking industry because that's what our local industry is and who we see most of the time, but we have equipment needs as well in construction and mining served by local industry like Caterpillar, Komatsu, and John Deere. When people think about diesel equipment and trucks, they think that everything is very large and heavy components that they might not be comfortable in working with them. But because of the size and the weight involved, students have to use hoists and overhead cranes and such things to move equipment because some of the components are too heavy for anybody to just pick up and handle. So they get a lot of the lifting techniques that way and some of the rigging skills, but they do get hands-on experience. So we tear down engines, put them back together. Some of them have to run when they're complete. Others are for just the experience and getting familiar with the components that are involved so that they recognize what they are, they understand the inspection procedures, they know about how to torque bolts properly and how to properly reassemble the components and keep things organized.